This video, I'm going to show you how you can install the correct or the right Proton VPN app on your Android smartphone. If you found this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, let's get into it. So if you are confused between apps and you don't know which is the correct Proton VPN app, then the best thing to do is to go to Google Play Store, and from here go to search here. And if you can see this search icon, go ahead and tap on search here, and now just go ahead and search for Proton VPN like that. Then tap on search here, and we have here our Proton VPN app. So as you can see, we have quite a number of the same apps meant to perform different functions. For instance, we have Proton VPN Fast and Secure VPN here. We also have here Proton Pass, this is for password manager, and also we have Proton Drive, this is for cloud storage. For VPN services, go ahead and tap on the first one here, Proton VPN, and it is from Proton AG, the official company for this app, so make sure it is from this company. Now at the time of recording this video, this app has a star rating of 4.5 with over 525,000 reviews, and it is a verified app. You can see here it's verified, and currently the file size is about 37 MBs with over 50 million downloads. So should you see these details, then you will know that is the right app. To install it, go ahead and tap on install, and this will go ahead and download the latest version of Proton VPN app and then install it on your smartphone. Once this has been installed, you can proceed and tap on open here, or if you go now to your apps, you should be able to see your Proton VPN app from here. Go ahead and tap on it to launch and sign up. So that's how you can download or install the correct Proton VPN app on your Android smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.